Assalamualaikum everyone and hello everyone. Today we will find out the unknown length or breadth of the rectangle by using the area of the rectangle. These are our objectives for today. In the previous classes we are given with the length and breadth and you were asked to find the area, but here we will be given with the area, length or breadth, and you will ask to find the unknown. Okay. Okay, we are doing the question number 2 of exercise 13A, book D1. What is the question? The area of a rectangle is 259 centimeters square and its length is 18.5 centimeter. Find. We have to find its breadth and perimeter. We are given with the area, we are given with the length, and we want to find the breadth and perimeter. Okay, solution. We will start with the given data. We will first sort out the data that is given to us. We are given with the area. Area is 259 centimeters square. Why square? We have discussed in the previous class that that the area of any figure will always be in squares. And length is given, that is 18.5 centimeter, and before solving the question you will see that either both the dimensions are same or not. Units are same, yes. In the area you are given with centimeter and in the length you are also given with centimeter, so yes, we can solve it. Now we are given with the area of rectangle. That means we will use the formula of area of rectangle. What is the formula? Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. We will put the values that are given to us in the above formula. We are given with the area, that is 259 centimeters square, is equals to length. What is the length given? 18.5 centimeter into breadth. Now we know that we want the value of breadth. Breadth is unknown. We will shift the known values to the other side, that is 18.5. We will divide 18.5 centimeter on both sides. Here we have divided to 259 centimeters square with 18.5, and on the other side when we will divide the right hand side with 18.5, we are left with only breadth. Now divide 259 centimeter square over 18.5 centimeter. We have the answer 14 centimeter. That is the breadth of the given. We want to find the perimeter, and we know that if we want to find the perimeter, that means we want to know the length of all the sides. How many sides the rectangle have? We know that 4. So that means we should first know the length of all the sides should be known. We know that the length is 18.5 centimeter and breadth is 14 centimeter, and in rectangle we know that the length of the opposite sides are always same. If this side is 18.5 centimeter, that means the opposite side is also 18.5 centimeter. If this side is 14 centimeter, that means the opposite side is also 14 centimeter. Okay, we have the length of all the 4 sides. Now we will add the length of all the sides. We will add the length of all the sides, and that is equal to 65. By adding 14 plus 18.5 plus 14 plus 18.5, we are adding the length of all the sides of the rectangle, that are 4 sides, and we have the values of all the 4 sides, and the answer is equals to 65. Take care, have a very good day.